is the quality of the work that's being done here. And each time I walk into the hydrology lab here, the subsurface hydrology lab, I start to drool. And I have lived in the United States, I've lived in the Netherlands, I've done research in Austria, California, but I've never seen a laboratory like this here. I think the great advantage that you guys have here that most universities don't have is you have the support. You have a machine shop, you have an electronic shop, and these guys can build everything that you need. And at universities they don't have that money supply to support those kind of entities.
There's always some overlap between what I'm doing and what Jacob is doing. I would estimate over the years that we have published 20 papers using EMSL material.
I think we get most of the information by going back and forth, talking about it.
We love what we're doing, because we're doing things that has not been observed before. It takes away the flow paths of the contaminants by drying out certain zones in the subsurface, make it harder for contaminants to move downwards. And it's the goal of us to reduce the fluxes of contaminants to the groundwater. If you can make it harder for the contaminants to move downwards, then you can be successful in really delaying the movement of the contaminants. It's actually a pretty interesting and complex problem. People think about desiccation as being easy, drying out something, but the physics and chemistry associated with desiccating is quite complex. You need specialized tools to investigate it properly. Jacob Dane comes in to help us interpret the data and to design and execute some of the future experiments that we need to do in order to understand this better.
It's just a lot of fun to come over here, I think, because of the quality of the equipment and the people they have here.
Jacob, when he comes over here, and also the other users that come over here, they're getting great support from the user office. It's a very helpful group of people that are doing the very best to make it useful and effective.
And everybody is very helpful. I think you couldn't ask for a better staff and better personnel. It's just a great facility, in my opinion.